So based on that pressure test we just did, we decided to run at 12 psi. That softened the ride. It took away the hard chatter on like a washboard or a washboard type bump as you're driving at speed. It's not squirrely on the road. Really feels solid on the road. Tracks straight. So I think we'll stay at 12 psi. I don't think we really have any reason to switch. Might drop the pressure a little bit in the winter if we're gonna plan on hitting some deep snow, or if we make it out west in the mountains, might drop the psi if we're crawling around in the rocks. But 12 psi is a good pressure, looks like, overall.